Yeah. Some stuff came in the mail. Let's go open it up and see what's inside. All right, so I've been working on this for a little bit. I reached out to Ooni, not thinking that I would get anything out of it or even if they wanted to work with a small content creator, but here we are. They were generous enough to send me the Ooni Karu 16, which is the biggest pizza oven that they carry. If you're not familiar with Ooni, they're a Scottish company that specializes in creating high quality, consumer grade, high temperature outdoor pizza ovens. They were generous to send me the Ooni Karu 16, so it can be charcoal, wood, and even gas if you get the attachment, which they were generous enough to send me as well. So I've got that to test out. But before I open this stuff, they were also generous enough to send me a bunch of other accessories that I want to open up first. So let's get into that first before I open up this big boy. I've rearranged everything. We're going to start unpacking from the smallest package to the biggest package. So first things first is the Ooni turning peel. Looks like the package got a little damaged in the mail, but that's okay. Should be fine. I watched a decent amount of these unboxings to know that Ooni packs their stuff really, really well. Whoa, this is cool. Whoa, look at that. This thing is nice. So the next one is the bamboo serving pizza peel, which is basically the one that you use to serve your pizza. You don't actually use the bamboo one to take the pizza in and out of the oven. Whoa. Look at that. The packaging on this stuff is insane, by the way. Very impressive. Look at that. That's so nice. So this is the 16-inch pizza peel. They do make a 12-inch version of the Karu, and they have other models too. So if you want to go check it out, I'll have the link in my bio if you're interested in getting your own. But they have two different sizes. So they gave me the 16-inch, so they also gave me the 16-inch pizza peel. So let's open this one up. Struggle. This is the, I believe, this thing is massive. Holy crap. I want to take it out. Ta-da! I'm gonna be making some big ass pizzas with this. All right, so this is the one that actually surprised me the most. I was talking to them and I was only really thinking I might only get a pizza oven out of this, but they were also generous enough to send me some of this stuff. This was extra. So Ooni not only makes pizza ovens, but they also make cast iron accessories for their pizza ovens. Okay. This is the big box of goodies. So this one has the cover for the pizza oven. So like I said earlier, they gave me the upgrade or the attachment so that I can actually use propane. So I'm kind of excited to use this because it lets you cook it at a lower temperature. The two things that they did say that were gonna send me was the 9-inch cast iron skillet with the removable handle, as well as the dual-sided grizzler plate. So this is really cool. I definitely have some ideas of what I'm going to be using these for. So let's open this up and see what's inside. All right, there's this one. Holy crap. There's the skillet. This thing is hefty. Like I have cast iron skillets and they're nowhere near as heavy as this. We got this, looks like a stainless steel plate, probably to like a coaster, possibly. And then we've got this little box. Oh, this is probably the stand that goes with the little coaster. So that's probably what that's for. And then we got the removable handle and the skillet itself. So this is cool because you can put this in the oven and then, you know, not have the handle sticking out. The handle is removable, so when you try to take it out, you don't have to have a glove on or anything. You can just use the handle to take out the skillet. All right, this is the dual-sided grizzler plate. It's got the grill marks on one side and a flat one on the other side. There we go. You got the manual here. Again, this is, I believe, the little coaster that this rests on when you're not using it. And then this one has a double handle. Yeah, look at that. So we got one side that's, that has the grill marks on it. And then the other side is more like a griddle almost. So you can do, grill things with it. Again, same principle so that you can put it in the oven and then take it out while it's hot without having to use gloves. So that's really, really cool. All right, well, I'm not gonna open the cover just yet because I haven't put it outdoors, but once I set it up on my patio, I'm gonna put this on and you guys get to see what it looks like. Okay, let's push this back into frame. All right, the moment y'all been waiting for, unboxing the oven itself. Woo! Oh, I'm excited! Okay. Don't do that. You're embarrassing me. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Ah, get out of here. World's #1 pizza oven brand. Heck yeah, it is. Let's get this thing open. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Yo, the packaging on this thing is insane. Ta-da! Okay, if I remember correctly, this is the pizza stone, the actual thing that hooks the bottom of your pizza. And it comes in 2 pieces. So there's one, and then I believe the other half is in here as well. Yep, there it is. So I'm not gonna unbubble wrap these yet, but I will when I put everything together. All right, obviously the big boy's in here, so I'm gonna open the side thing first. Okay, so this one, what's in here? Ooh, okay, I believe this is the door. This is the pizza door. Yeah, this is the door. Ta-da! It's the door. All right, the moment y'all been waiting for. But first, a word from our sponsors. It's like I don't have any sponsors. Okay, this thing's heavy. I'm gonna go get the table again. Okay. I feel like I said this a lot, but the packaging here is top notch. So I believe this is the chimney lid. This thing's like, it's not solid, it's definitely hollow, but one piece and it's very hefty, but this is really cool. All right, let's unravel this thing. Ooh, look at that. Looks like there's some goodies inside of here. This is obviously all the other accessories that this thing needs to run. So let's see what we can get out of here. Alrighty, so this, we got, what is this? Another box. This is, oh, this is the thermometer. So this thing actually comes with a built-in digital thermometer. So that's what this is. Yeah, look at that. Digital thermometer. And it comes with batteries. Batteries included. I think this is the, oh, this is the cover for the back. It's the cover for the back so that when you're, using the wood or the charcoal fuel method, it just covers the back and then you got your ventilation back here. But this is also where the gas burner goes into, you know what I mean? You got another couple boxes in here. I believe this is the chimney. Chimney! Ta-da! The cool thing about this chimney is you can actually adjust, I don't know if you can see that, but you can adjust the airflow with the chimney too. Forgot what that thing's called. I think it's called the flume. I'm not sure. I got a few more things in here. Oops. Oh, okay. I know what this one is. So this is the cover for the back. Ta-da! This thing is hefty. This is a hefty lid. Probably a lot of insulation inside of here. So this goes back here. So what you do, you load all your wood or charcoal or whatever, and then you close it and it keeps the heat in. There is one more thing inside of here. This is the basket to put the actual fuel in. So you can put your charcoal or your wood or whatever you want to use for fuel back here. Look at that. Like, this thing has heft to it. For a consumer grade product, this is high quality stuff. All right, let's take a quick look at the actual oven itself. So the bottom, oh God, it actually has feet. All right, it's got fold out legs like that. Put this back over. Ta-da! This thing is sweet, man. Oh, I'm so excited to make stuff with this. And I'm not just gonna make pizza with this. I got a whole bunch of like Balkan dishes that I want to try making in here. So stay tuned for that. All right, I'm gonna go put this together and see what it looks like on my balcony. Give me 1 second. All right, this is what it looks like with the cover on. Let's take the cover off. I like how it comes with a chimney cover too, so I don't have to take the chimney off. Ta-da! This thing is sweet, man. There's a few things I gotta do to set this up. I actually have to burn it in first, so I gotta do its first burn through. So I gotta put like some charcoal in here, let it burn until it all dies down, then I should be able to cook in it. So I gotta do that. So yeah, that's the oven all set up. That's what it looks like. This thing is massive, by the way. But yeah, you got your burn basket in there. The cool thing about this cover is it even hangs. So they thought of everything, man. I still need to get a table for this, but I got this all ready to go. Yeah, man, I'm excited. This thing is massive, like so much content that I can make with this. So y'all gotta stay tuned for that. So I'm probably gonna end the video here. Yeah, I just wanna thank y'all for watching. I know it's a little bit different. You know, the content is evolving every day and hope you guys are enjoying that evolution. So yeah, if you wanna stay tuned and see what I'm gonna be doing with this. So yeah, real quick, again, I didn't buy this. Ooni was generous enough to send this to me. I'm gonna be doing my honest review on this once I start cooking with it. But yeah, they didn't pay me to say any of this stuff. They were just generous enough to send me one of their products. So I'm very grateful for this opportunity. And I just want to thank everybody who's been watching and supporting my content. Without any of you, I wouldn't have this opportunity. So yeah, it's a little bit of an emotional thing for me right now because I've been working a lot to get this far. So yeah, more good things to come. Hopefully we get to make more content like this. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, definitely like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more content that I'm going to be making of this in the future. And yeah, again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you everybody for, you know, supporting the content, and I love you all. Thanks for watching. Hope you all have a good day. Okay, bye.